Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Delta eToro, or also known simply as Delta. In order to sign into eToro Delta, first of all launch open the Delta application, and from the first interface, to get access to your existing account, simply tap on sign in at the bottom. If you have an eToro account, you can simply log into Delta by entering your eToro account's credentials. Tap on login with eToro and follow through the instructions. Now it will take you to this interface where you can sign in using your eToro account details. Type in your username or email associated with eToro in order to use Delta. Go to the first field and type in your username or email associated with eToro, and on the next field, type in your password for your eToro account. Once you are done entering your credentials, click on sign in. Right after you type in your credentials, click on approve, and you will then be able to log in to Delta. Open up your Delta application and there you have it. That's how you easily log into your Delta app using your eToro credentials in just a couple of steps. Now once you're signed in to Delta, you can start linking your investments and tracking your portfolio. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.